9 News Plus weather, sponsored by Carrier Colorado. The future of home comfort is here.
9 News meteorologist Greg Perez. Happy 4th of July. Hope everyone is out and about enjoying their day so far. But we do have showers and storms on the way. So if you do have plans to get outside, make sure to bring them indoors, because not only are we going to be dealing with downpours, but we're also going to be dealing with very gusty winds and hail that really could be damaging and could seriously do some damage out there. So let's get a look at what's going on out towards Fort Collins right now. The skies have cleared out a little bit up there, but don't get too used to it as we prepare for more showers and storms. We also have a quick update. A severe thunderstorm watch is in effect for us, and possibly a few tornadoes as well. Scattered hail up to tennis ball size possible. That's for Fort Collins, Boulder, Denver, Fort Morgan, Sterling, Colorado Springs, and as far eastward, of course, as far as the Eastern Plains. Yeah, not too surprising that we have that severe thunderstorm watch in effect, and we're going to be bringing you more updates on that over the next couple of minutes or so. So once again, live look over Fort Collins right now, mostly cloudy to partly cloudy skies. And you know, we as meteorologists, we really look at when the skies start to clear out. If they start to clear out ahead of some of these showers and storms, look for these showers and storms to really start exploding and increase their energy output as we head through the afternoon hours. Let's zoom in on some of those showers and storms. Actually, we'll zoom in on them in just a few seconds. Live look over Denver. You see those clouds start to move into the picture. Temperatures in the middle 70s in the Denver metro area. 74 degrees in Colorado Springs. Lyman at 83 degrees. Greeley at around 81 degrees. But here we go. You see those showers and storms pushing eastward over the mountains and into the metro area, and just the north and west of Denver. That's where we're eyeing these showers and storms over the next couple of minutes or so. So Boulder, we can expect hail, we can expect heavy downpours, we can expect very gusty winds probably within the next 15-20 minutes or so. Nederland, just the west of Jamestown and just the south of Allens Park, they're dealing with that right now. Let's push down towards the south, where we're seeing extremely strong storms down towards Colorado Springs. We're talking hail. We're even talking a little bit of a spin there. It seems like as of right now there are no tornadoes cited, but we're certainly dealing with the potential for tornadoes down towards Colorado Springs, and especially as that cell pushes eastward. So don't be too shocked if we have some more of those cells really starting to blow up, not only in the Denver metro area, but especially up towards the north and even down towards south too. Kiowa just dealing with some of those showers and storms as they push out towards the east along State Route 86. So it is going to be a very active 4th of July weather-wise. I know that's not the news that you all wanted. I understand that, but please, please, please bring your plans indoors. You're certainly going to want to do that, because showers and storms, as I said, could produce hail up to the size of a tennis ball. We have that severe thunderstorm watch now in effect. Chris, when is that up until again? That is up until 11. Gotcha. That's up until 11 o'clock tonight, what we're going to be dealing with. So I'll pull up that graphic in just a few seconds. But as far as the outlook goes for today, yeah, it's just one of those days where you're going to want to be indoors, because we have showers and storms on the way. Let me pull up this graphic for you all here so we can all see where this severe thunderstorm warning or watch, it's a severe thunderstorm watch, is right now. Severe SPA? SVR. All right, 1 second, everyone. We're going to pull this up for you because this is very important. So if you can just bear with me as I pull this up. Severe thunderstorm. Okay. Chris, thank you very much for putting this together. Here we go. All right. Severe thunderstorm watch in effect up until 11 o'clock. Big hail up to the size of a tennis ball. Gusts up to 80-mile-per-hour winds. Isolated tornadoes. Sorry that it took a little while for me to pull that up, guys, but I appreciate you bearing with me. Once again, this is for Denver, Fort Collins, as far south as Pueblo, and all across the Eastern Plains. And this is what we've really been talking about for the past couple of days, that today was a day where if showers and storms moved into the picture and we had the right ingredients, that they really could explode in nature, bringing those stronger to severe cells with hail up to the size of a tennis ball, with gusts up to 80, 90 miles per hour. And what I really want to talk about too is flooding. Flash flooding is certainly a possibility, considering how much rain that we have received so far this year. So the messaging here is, if you are planning on celebrating maybe elsewhere outside of your own home, stay at a place where you would be able to post up somewhere for the evening, because driving tonight is going to be a problem. Not only because we have showers and storms this afternoon, but because too we have rounds of showers and storms coming later on this afternoon into the evening hours and through tonight. After 8 o'clock, Denver is going to be getting hit with more showers and storms too. So let's take you through that right now with the future cast. This afternoon into this evening, we start to see those storms really blow up near Fort Collins and out towards the eastern plains near Byers as well. They're going to be continuing. Most likely what's going to be happening in Denver is that the strongest cells are going to be happening after, say, 6, 7 o'clock at night. We're seeing between 8 and 9 o'clock, this cell right here. Let's see if I can zoom on in. Yeah, this cell right here. Boulder, Broomfield, north and west the Denver metro area, and north and east the metro area. Whenever you see those bright red cells, those bright red colors, that's when you know we're going to be dealing with some of those stronger to severe storms. Heavy downpours possible, flooding definitely a possibility, if not certainly a possibility at this point. Hail, that's all on board, or we're all on board with hail as well, as we're going to be dealing with that through this evening. And then finally overnight, that's when things start to calm down a little bit with some lingering showers in the Denver metro area and to the north, but the threat isn't done there. We have more showers and storms on the way tomorrow. So here we go. Here's the 4th of July forecast. Our high temperature in the upper 70s and lower 80s. Elsewhere, a few 90s and 100s out towards the eastern plains. Same thing goes out towards the west. And before I forget, let's just go over this red flag warning as well that we have out towards the western portion of Colorado. High fire danger for western Colorado. Red flag warning in effect up until this evening. Not necessarily for very dry conditions, but it's because they have not only not received a whole lot of rainfall, but they're not going to be receiving a whole lot of rainfall tonight. And if we do get any severe weather out there, they're most likely going to be in the form of dry thunderstorms. And that is certainly problematic, because if it strikes a tree, if it strikes the ground, if lightning that is strikes a tree or the ground, it really could start a large and devastating wildfire. Once again, let's bring up the severe thunderstorm watch that we now have in effect that just came out a couple of minutes ago, and that lasts up until 11 o'clock tonight. Anywhere you see in that light blue color is under a severe thunderstorm watch again until 11 o'clock tonight. Please, please, please move any plans that you have indoors. There are going to be some people who possibly might not get a whole lot of rain, but it's better safe than sorry. We do not want a scenario like Red Rocks where people are caught outside in this severe weather, and you could really get hurt by these storms. Big hail up to the size of a tennis ball. That is no joke. That is no joke. It's not pea-sized hail. Tennis ball size hail, very, very large, and gusts up to 80 miles per hour, isolated tornadoes, and heavy downpours along with flooding. We want to make sure everyone can stay safe and still enjoy their holiday for today. So please bring any plans that you have indoors. You're still able to enjoy your 4th of July, but just make sure to do that, because things could get very, very ugly very quickly. We've seen it before. We've seen it happen out towards Red Rocks. We don't want it to happen today. Quick check of the 7-day forecast for us. Upper 60s tomorrow. We have another round of scattered showers and storms. And now Chris and I were talking a little bit earlier. Thursday is a very sneaky day for some showers and storms as well, because not only are we thinking that it's going to have a kind of a similar scenario to today, but also I think it's going to be a little bit warmer. I think there's going to be a little bit more energy in the atmosphere as far as wind shear goes, and I also think that dew points could sneak up into the upper 50s and lower 60s, and those are 3 ingredients for showers and storms to really start firing off. So stay with us both on air and online. Thursday can be a sneaky day once again for another round of severe thunderstorms that could be happening. Friday we start to dry out a little bit more. Isolated showers and storms, nothing crazy as of right now. And then we really start to dry out by Saturday and Sunday, getting into a more summer-like pattern that we're really used to this time of the year. Middle to lower 80s on Saturday, upper 80s on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Plenty of sunshine on the way. But here's the messaging for today. I've said it a million times this broadcast. Bring your plans indoors, please. We do not want to see a repeat of what happened at Red Rocks, where people got injured and were sent to the hospital. This is very, very avoidable. You're able to go inside. These showers and storms are coming, and some of which really, really could be severe. And I know that that there are going to be some areas that may not get as much rain or may not get as much hail, but it's just for precautionary measures. We don't want to see anyone getting hurt on this 4th of July. All right, everyone, that'll do it for me. Meteorologist Chris Bianchi. Stand up, Chris. He's behind me right now. He's working on you for the 4 and 5 o'clock show. He'll also be doing the 6, 9, and 10, right? You're doing 6, 9, and 10? Okay. He's here all night, so you're going to be stuck with him. He'll be bringing you the very latest forecast. Make sure to join us there. You can always join us here on 9 News Plus or visit 9news.com/weather for the very latest forecast. Have a great 4th of July, everyone. Remember, stay indoors, stay safe, and enjoy today. And stay dry, everyone. Have a good one.